at the same time while asking for two different things. What do we think so far? Look at their faces, they're so cute! Clapping those hands. Do you want to see a dog skipping rope? Yes. Arizona is going to be helping Dana out, and Script is going to be jumping. Let's make some noise. This is Script's favorite part. That's 1, 2, 3. Let's give it up for Script and Arizona. True best of friends. One more time, let's show them some love. Amazing, and let's welcome back my better half, Aaron Matthews.
Thank you very much.